Hey guys, in this video we'll see how to make a Christmas plum cake. This cake is very easy and turns out moist, soft and warm, just like a perfect plum cake should. To get started, in a saucepan take 2/3 cups of grape juice. I'm using homemade pulpy grape juice here. I have taken some dry fruits here, 1 cup of tutti frutti, 1/4 cup of raisins, 1/4 cup of dried apricots and 1/4 cup of prunes. Add in these dry fruits to the saucepan. Cook till the mixture thickens and the dry fruits absorb all the juices. Set this aside. Next, in a mixing bowl, put together the dry ingredients. 1½ cups of maida or all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/8 teaspoon of clove powder, 1/8 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and ½ teaspoon of baking soda. About a teaspoon of orange zest, mix this well and set aside. In another bowl, add in ½ cup of oil, 3/4 cups of brown sugar, mix this well. Next, add in 1 cup of curds or yogurt and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Add in the dry ingredients and gently fold until everything is well combined and there are no large lumps found. Make sure not to overmix. Now add in 1/4 cup each of chopped walnuts, almonds and cashews along with the soaked dry fruits. Keep a little of the soaked dry fruits aside to spread on top. Mix this well. Transfer the batter to an 8-inch prepared cake tin. Spread the remaining soaked dry fruits on top. And bake in a preheated oven at 160 degrees for about 50 minutes. Make sure you cool the cake completely before you remove from the tin. This cake is moist on the inside and crumbly and golden on top. Do try out this cake and leave us a comment below. Thank you for watching, and for more such videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel.